In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Sumif, Countif, and Averageif in Airtable. To get started, open Airtable in your browser, then head into the base where your table lives. We're going to create a new field that calculates results for you, so look along the top of your table and click the plus sign to add a new field. In the Field Setup panel, search for and select the formula field type. This opens the formula editor. A quick reminder about how formulas work in Airtable. A formula field is calculated for each record, similar to a cell formula in a spreadsheet, but it doesn't scan other rows unless you're working with linked records or arrays. That distinction matters when you think about classic spreadsheet functions like sumif, countif, and average_if. Here in the editor, you can type your formula directly. For example, a common way to replicate a Countif per record is to use if to return a 1 when a condition is true and 0 when it's not, like if/status done 1 0. This marks each record that meets the condition, which you can then total with a summary bar or roll up via links. For sumif style logic within a record, wrap the value you want to add inside an if, such as if category equals food amount 0. And for an average_if pattern, you'd typically pair if with either average over an array of values or do sum divided by count of matching items, again using if to gate what's included. If you'd like help crafting the exact syntax, click Create Formula with AI in the editor. In the prompt box, type something like create a Countif formula and be specific about your field names and the condition, for example, count if status is done. The assistant will generate an Airtable-friendly expression based on your description, which saves time and reduces syntax errors. When the suggestion looks right, click Create Formula to insert it into the editor. You can still tweak field names by wrapping them in curly braces and adjust comparisons to match text, numbers, or dates. If your matching should ignore capitalization, consider adding lower around both sides of a text comparison. When you're satisfied, click Create to add the new formula field to your table. That's it. You've opened your base, added a formula field, typed or generated a Countif-style expression, and saved it. Use the same approach to build sumif and average_if logic by combining if with the values you want to include.